Thinking about trying Couch to 5K? This review covers everything you need to know. App links are down below. This app is perfect if you're a beginner runner, aiming to go from 0 to 5K in just 8 weeks. 3 runs per week, combining running and walking intervals, gradually build your stamina. Each session is just 20 to 30 minutes, fitting easily into busy schedules. Virtual coaches guide you with audio cues, keeping you on track without checking your phone. Couch to 5K stands out for its simplicity. The interface is clean, instructions are clear, and you can track your progress, log runs, and even integrate your favorite music. It also syncs with Fitbit and Apple Health. If running feels overwhelming, this app provides a clear path to success, whether you're training for a charity run or building healthier habits. The focus on gradual pacing prevents burnout and injury, common issues for new runners. More experienced runners might find it basic, as it lacks advanced analytics. But for beginners, that simplicity is a key strength. So, if you're a beginner runner looking for a structured, achievable 5K plan, check out the links below and start running today.